Hey guys, it's Dr. EleVids again! Okay, it's me again, Dr. EleVids. Today we are at AC Hotel by Marriott Penang. Let's review the room now. Let's go! So today we're staying at this AC Hotel by Marriott Penang, and we have 5 lifts over here. 1, 2, 3 passenger lift, 2, 4, 5 service lift. And this is the floor plan. And this is the hotel key. We have the hotel card holder. This is the lamp from the hallway. Again. And then this is a hot switch for the toilet. And let's see the toilet. This toilet brand is American Standard. And we have got the bidet, manual bidet. We got the trash bin over here. And we got the hand soap over here. And we got also the American Standard basin, and we got 2 cups, and we got the things here, and we got the sanitary kit and the towel kit, and here we got the hair dryer. Here you got the makeup mirror and the big mirror high, bath towel rainbow, and this is another towel, and with the door hook, and then this is the bathing area. We have a top shower. Now let's see the cupboard. We also got the iron and the switch box, iron board, and we got the safe box over here. Yeah, we got the safe box over here. And we got the laundry, nothing, and nothing. And we got some hangers over here too. And in the mini bar, we got 2 free mineral waters, kettle, and cups. Also the tea, bowl tea, white sugar, coffee made cream, and Nescafe. So let's see the refrigerator. Nothing. And we got the crib over here, and this is the bed. Sorry, this is, I don't know whose stuff is this, but today, let's see. We also got EleVids Productions and Sunlands. Okay. Here we got the Samsung TV. Inside the TV drawer we got nothing also. This is the Nerf gun bought by EleVids Productions, and this is the bed. Sorry for the stuff. And we got the picture over here, and we got the reading table. What is this? Is it a lamp? Yeah, this is a lamp, like that, night lamp. And we got another lamp over here, and we got the lamp over here. Also, another lamp. This is the room card. Nothing inside. A household over. And we got a writing table over here, and a mirror high, and a telephone, and plugs. So let's see the view from the hotel. This is level 17, which you can see the view of Bukit Jambul. And this is a view that you're able to see. Also, this is also able to see the closed down Hotel Equatorial, which is already closed down sadly. And this is the road. I don't know what building is on construction. And this is Kompleks Bukit Jambul, which is a famous shopping mall in Bukit Jambul. So now let's review the hotel hallway. And we have 3 lifts over here, which is Schindler. Let's ride the lift. This hotel has 19th floor, and we are staying at 17th floor. The lift is here. Let's go down. We got the Schindler over here, and with this indicator. So let's go to 2nd floor. So this is have the hotel facilities, which got second floor, access to suite wing, AC fitness, meeting room, exclusive lounge and pool. First floor we have meeting room and surround. Ground floor we have lobby, lounge, library and ballroom. The lift arrived. So now let's go to the the gym is need access. Let's try if my access card is accessible. Not accessible because we need to do reservation. But never mind. Let's see the pool in this. But now sadly it's raining now. So this is the pool. This is the pool of the hotel. And we got another wing, which is suite wing at this hotel. This is a swimming pool, but now it's raining lah, so we cannot film that. We got the Honeywell aircon conditioner, and we got the switch and the fan. And this is the aircon. Let's see the room view. This is the room view, and we have sun lamps. And look at the editor production. Ayo, the stuff. The stuff, sorry. Pardon the stuff, the noise, no, the stuff over here. Okay, so the hotel reviews end here, and see you in the next video. Bye.
Later.
Stop playing the Nerf gun, bro. Sorry. We have mermaid at this hotel.
我是女生，漂亮的女生。
Wait, let me take that. Okay. The Sandland scenes at the Olive Tree Hotel, and here we come again. Here we come again, the Olive Tree Hotel scene, the water tasting scene. Line.
At BGM.
At BGM. Our manual BGM.
You so, lah, that's like water. That's like water.
That's like water.
Okay, that's it. Seriously, that's the end of the hotel review, and see you in the next EleVids Live video. Bye bye. Good night.